In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert to the old Adobe Acrobat view. If you've recently updated your Adobe Acrobat and you're finding it a bit challenging to navigate or simply miss the familiarity of the old interface, don't worry, you're not alone. Many users prefer the look and feel of the classic layout. Unfortunately, Adobe provides an easy way to switch back. Let's walk through the steps so you can get back to using the version you're most comfortable with. First, you'll want to open your Adobe Acrobat application. Once you're in, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on this menu will open up a variety of options for you. This is where you'll find the necessary commands to begin the process of reverting your view. After you've accessed the menu, look for an option that says Disable New Acrobat. Selecting this option is crucial because it triggers the process of switching back to the classic view. This step essentially tells Adobe that you prefer the traditional layout over the newer one. It's straightforward and doesn't require any additional downloads or installations, which is a relief for those who want a quick solution. Once you've clicked on Disable New Acrobat, you'll notice that a dialog box will appear on your screen. This is an important part of the process because it confirms that you've set everything in motion. The dialog box will prompt you with the option to restart Acrobat. You must click on Restart to apply the changes effectively. Restarting the program allows all the modifications to take place and solidifies your preference for the classic view. It's worth mentioning that if you encounter any issues or the view doesn't change immediately, a simple reboot of your system can often help. Technology can be a bit temperamental at times, and this extra step can ensure that everything resets properly. There you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully reverted to the old Adobe Acrobat view. Simple, right? For many people, sticking with the familiar interface enhances productivity and reduces the learning curve associated with new software updates. Whether you're working on important documents or just browsing through PDFs, having an interface that you're comfortable with can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enjoy a more seamless experience with Adobe Acrobat. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Remember to like our video and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. We'll see you in the next one.